Well, I fucked up. So I've been getting a lot of comments and feedback about my stickers that I installed on my truck. I didn't know they went a certain way. These right here. America! Oh. Well, apparently they're supposed to face, you know, I'll show you. So, here's where I fucked up. If it was as easy as a French flag, I wouldn't have fucked up.
You say you're French?
Oui.
We? No, we are not French. We're American, because you're in America.
When you order these stickers, you obviously get a driver's side and passenger side. This one, on the driver's side, needs to go like this, to where the flag, if you were driving down the road, is waving back. Not, obviously, the flag's, if you're going down the street, the flag's not going to be waving up the damn road. I'm an idiot. So I need to take this off and put them on the right way, because that's just the right thing to do. I'm sure people have done this multiple times incorrectly on their vehicle.
50 times?
More.
100 times?
More.
200 times?
More.
500 times?
Probably.
So here's the passenger side. Again, not facing the right way. Alright, so the other side was a pain in the ass. I think it wasn't really warm, and the sun's on this side, so this side might come off a little bit easier. We'll find out. Yeah, I guess a little bit of heat helps kind of loosen up that glue. It does feel like it's coming off a lot easier. Alright, so installing these stickers, nothing really to it. Just gotta make sure the surface is clean, which it is. And I like to use this little squeegee here that's got a little bit of felt on top to kind of, take out the air bubbles. I actually got this from a kit that I ordered, some carbon fiber kit that I've done stuff to my truck. I've done the pillars here and some interior stuff. I'll put a link to the video on those that I did, and that kit includes this little squeegee thing, which comes in handy for multiple things like stickers and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope I redeemed myself by putting the stickers on here at NASA. They're on right, which is the most important part, and there's no air bubbles, which is good. But America, baby. Please like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one.